Jason, help me. Just jump in. Jason, come on!
What's the jump?
Oh, give me the
I thought it was done to.
No, you're helping me.
Jason, come on, do what you did, Jason!
Did you fuck me up?
Do what you did. Stephanie taught him to be a good boy.
Why do you do that?
I can't fight.
Alright, I'll jump in after Anthony starts hitting.
Shit, no. Put your fist down.
No, they don't hurt as bad if you don't think about it. Keep your hands closed.
You sound really bad.
I died.
I don't pray! You idiotic pray!
Why trying to grab my hand? Fucking hell no, they jumping in.
Oh, Jason! Awesome! Jesse, get still recording. Jesse, come! Jesse, come!
All your power, Anthony. All your power, Anthony.
No, look at it. Don't like this. I'm scared. Not gonna lie. I gotta watch that right.
Jason, don't jump in.
Jason, you can do what you want.
Why? Don't jump in because I want to go with Anthony see if he got stronger at all.
Stronger than what? 2 minutes ago?
No, since working out.
Okay, he worked out 2 nights. Hoo-hoo.
Actually, he worked out 4 nights.
No, he didn't. So quit trying to argue everything everybody says.
I want Jason to go in.
As long as I want.
I want Jason to go in.
No, seriously, I'm not even playing with you.
Jason, go in.
Alright, when it gets to 3 minutes, I'll jump in.
What time is it?
2 minutes.
47.
Almost 2 minutes.
1:49.
Why hold my hand?
I'm not blocking you.
Come on, Anthony.
Like that.
Yeah, but they don't hold
You can see right there.
Oh, yeah. Oh, my God.
Go ahead, boy. Go ahead. Go ahead. Wait, grab me.
You're the one that grabbed me first.
Go on, Johnny! What?
I can't.
I can quit.
Get him out. Get him out. Get him.
Actually, no, your presents are all right there.
Get him out. Get him.
What's some of you?
Get him. I give you permission.
I can't put this on Facebook.
I know. Forget that one. Get him.
Nuts.
Yeah.